So what do you do after intercourse? Well, in this video, I'm going over some after sex precautions as well as some common mistakes most people make after intercourse coming up. Hey, if we haven't met before, my name is Johann, and on this channel you'll find some helpful discussional topics to improve your self-care as well as tips and strategy videos just like this one. So if you're new here, consider subscribing and hitting that notification bell. Also, at any point in the video, make sure you check out the links and the show notes in the video description about today's topic, okay? Let's get started. The first thing you should do after having sex is use the bathroom. Sounds obvious, but hear me out. Sexual activities can actually push bacteria into your genitals, which can lead to bladder infections or urinary tract infections. So after you do the thing, make sure you go and use the bathroom and take a piss to leak all of that out. It's gonna lower the risk of infection. Trust me on that. Something that you don't do in the bathroom is take piping hot water showers after you have sex. Look, I get it. After you do the dirty, you want to make sure you're clean, you're looking nice, the water feels nice, everything. But the hot water can actually make things worse. You see, your skin has an antimicrobial barrier which keeps water and the electrolytes from being evaporated. It also helps sustain your skin's immunity, which means that if the hot water strips off the skin barriers, you're more likely to get those infections after you have sex. Avoid using scented stuff on your genitals. Please, for the love of God, avoid doing that shit. It's kind of easy to find stuff that's not scented nowadays, especially in the supermarket for some people. When you're in the supermarket or wherever store you're in, make sure you look for the word hypoenergetic or unscented soap so you can use on your body, because we don't want those scented stuff around your genitals. Yeah, I know. Your genitals will be smelling like Irish fields, springs, and pumpkin spice. But this can actually change your whole natural bacteria and make it all wacky and crazy. If you're in a predicament and you can't get access to those unscented soaps or hypoallergenic soaps, you can use warm water. It works fine temporarily. Just make sure you do the right thing. And make sure that you avoid wearing tight clothes after you have sex. Why is that? All of that excess body fluid could just be rubbing on the material that you're wearing, and that can actually cause your genitals to be very irritated and also cause an infection too as well. So yeah, if you did the deed, and make sure you just go all out, not wearing anything underneath, and just kind of like no tight clothes. Just the thought of bacteria rubbing on your pants or if you're wearing a dress, no thanks. This one is also very important, but I should have listed this as number one, but fuck it, we're here anyways. This next one is super important, and it's basically don't wait till after sex to ask your partner if they have any STDs or any STIs. And I saved this for last because you can actually put someone's health in danger, or vice versa, they can actually put you in danger. Talk to your partner if they had any STDs or STIs in the past, so this way you know exactly what you're getting yourself into and you know how to maneuver yourself. Which leads me to this. Get yourself tested for the sake of me, for the sake of your partner, but most importantly, for the sake of yourself. Topics to improve your personal care and sexual health, as well as some tips and strategies. You see, your skin has antimicrobial. Hey. You'll find helpful tips and strategies. Hey, if we haven't met before, my name. Okay, I looked over there.